Assalamualaikum everyone. Today our video class is on EVS lesson 5 animals. In the previous lesson we have studied about plants, how plants are useful to us, what are the away from our food, what are the other things plants gives us. Plant gives us spices, we have studied coffee, and beside that plants also gives us other things like gum, wood, and perfumes, etc. This we are going to study it later. Now coming to animals, we are having different types of animals. Have you seen an elephant? How it is an elephant? Or you can take a lion, tiger. In animals too we are having different types. Some are big and some are small. If you take in animals, elephant is considered to be the biggest animal. If you take rhino, rhino is also the big animal. Elephant, rhino, tiger, whale, that is a fish. These are considered here, alright. These are the big animals. Giraffe. These are the big animals. Now tell me the names of some small animals. Small animals always will get a cat, rat, dog. These are the small animals. Now coming to elephant, leave it of whale. Coming to elephant, lion, tiger, rhino, giraffe. So these animals, how many legs they have? They have how many legs? 4 legs. These animals will have 4 legs, a tail, and they are having the teeth. What they'll have? Teeth to chew their food. Animals have 4 legs, they have a tail and teeth to chew their food. In the same way, even the small animals, rat, cat and dog, I said, these small animals too will have 4 legs. Either animal is big or small, they are having 4 legs, they have a tail and also the teeth to chew their food. Now these are the animals. Now in animals we are having some other categories which we call birds. Birds and insects. Birds and insects also comes under the category of animals. Now coming to birds. Now in birds we are having some big birds, some small birds. Now take ostrich. Insects will study afterwards. In birds, ostrich you take. It is considered to be the biggest animal. Now you can take penguin. Penguin and ostrich. These are the birds. Now coming to small birds, you can take crow, sparrow, parrot. These are the birds. Now these are the big birds, these are the small birds. Penguin, ostrich is considered to be the big birds. Whereas parrot, crow, pigeon, sparrow, these are small birds. Even though these are big and small, they have how many legs? They have 2 legs and 2 wings. Whereas animals are having 4 legs, they don't have wings. Birds are having 2 legs and 2 wings. And this ostrich and penguin, as they are big and very heavy, they are unable to fly. They cannot fly. Is it clear? They cannot fly. As their weight is heavy, they cannot fly. They are having wings, but they cannot fly. But whereas crow, pigeon, sparrow, parrot, and still we are having eagle, many birds. These birds too are having 2 legs and 2 wings. They are having 2 legs, 2 wings, but they cannot fly as they are heavy. Even these are the small birds, they are having 2 legs and 2 wings, but these birds are able to fly as they are very small compared to penguin and ostrich. They are small and they are light, so they can fly very easily. So in birds too we are having, as we are having in animals, big animals and small, in birds too we are having big birds and small birds. These big birds can They too have 2 legs, 2 wings, they cannot fly. They are having 2 legs, 2 wings, as they are small and their weight is very light, they are able to fly. And they are having teeth. Animals are having teeth. Have you seen teeth for the birds? No, they don't have teeth. What they have? Birds have, either it is a big bird or small bird, they are having beak. What they have? Birds have beak. They eat with the help of the beaks. How they eat? They eat with the help of the beaks. Now when we consider the coming to animals, whale is considered to be the largest, that is the biggest animal. In whale, if we come to birds, the smallest is considered to be the hummingbird. Hummingbird, I'll write here. Hummingbird is considered to be the smallest bird. Now in birds too we are having still some birds like duck. Duck, pelican, swan. These are also the birds. They too have 2 wings. They too have 2 legs, 2 wings, a beak. But even these birds, what they do, they cannot fly. They can swim. What they can do? They can swim. In some birds are very heavy and big, so the weight is so heavy that they cannot fly. Some birds are very light in weight, so they are able to fly. Some birds like duck, pelican and swan, what they do? They swim in water. So these are the different kinds of birds. Now coming to insects. Now have you seen insects? Water insects? Grasshopper, housefly, mosquito, these are the insects. Butterfly. Mosquito, all of you know mosquito which bites us, which drinks our blood, suck our blood. And housefly daily we will be seeing in our house if we will not keep our surroundings clean. What happens? We can see many houseflies near our house. So that is the reason what they say, keep the surroundings clean in order to avoid these mosquitoes and houseflies. Coming to insects, butterfly. Butterfly. Coming to mosquito, housefly. Ant. Grasshopper. These are the insects. So what are the insects? Insects are also small animals. So grasshopper, housefly, butterfly, mosquito and ant. These are the insects. They are having 4 legs. Animals, birds are having 2, but insects are having how many legs? 6 legs. Butterfly or mosquito, if you take, they are having 6 legs. So among these butterflies, some insects have wings which helps them to fly. So some like grasshopper, housefly, mosquito, butterfly, have you seen they will be flying from one flower to another, from one place to another, because they are having wings. Butterfly will have wings, mosquito and grasshopper will have wings. They can fly. They are having 6 legs. They are having 6 legs and they are having wings to fly. Now coming to ant. Have you seen where ant is having a wing? No, ant will not have a wing. It is having only 6 legs. It can walk but it cannot fly. Ant is not having wings. It cannot fly. In insects too we are having some insects fly, some insects will not fly. They do not have wings. So these are the animals. So types of animals, that is big animal, small animals, either they are big or small, they are having 4 legs and teeth and a tail. And birds, coming to other animals like birds, in birds too we are having different types. Birds like ostrich and penguin, they are very big, heavy in weight, so they are having 2 legs, 2 wings, but they cannot fly. Whereas parrot, pigeon, sparrow, eagle, they are having 2 legs, 2 wings, as they are very light in weight, they can fly. They are having beak too. All these birds will have no teeth. They have beaks. Coming to duck, pelican and swan, they can swim. Now coming to insects, insects like butterfly, mosquito, housefly, grasshopper, they have 6 legs. They are having wings to fly. Wings help them to fly. Now one more insect we are having, that is ant. Can ant fly? No, it cannot fly because it is not having wings. So children, this is about today's class, how animals are having tails, how their tails they used to walk, teeth to chew their food. Birds are having legs, wings, beak, and insects are having 6 legs and wings to fly. This is about the different types of animals. Hope you all have understood the lesson. Thank you.